Hi children, good morning. Welcome to today's geography class. Today I am going to explain about wind. The movement of air from high pressure area to low pressure area is called wind. Winds can be broadly divided into three types: permanent winds, seasonal winds, and local winds. Okay, children, winds can be broadly divided into three types, and the first one, permanent winds. Uh, the trade winds, westerlies and easterlies are the permanent winds. Okay, three examples given in your textbook, that is the trade winds, westerlies, and easterlies are the permanent winds. These blow constantly throughout the year in a particular direction. Okay, so why it is called permanent wind? Because these winds blow constantly throughout the year in a particular direction. Okay, children, do you know a wind is named after the direction from which it blows? Example, the wind blowing from the west is called westerlies. Okay, children. Second one, seasonal winds. These winds change their direction in different seasons. For example, monsoon in India. Okay, the seasonal winds. These winds change their direction in different season. The one of the best example is known as monsoon in India. We are also experiencing in Kerala also monsoon is starting June 1st itself. Okay, so through that we have our rainy season is starting with the monsoon season. Okay, so that is the best example of monsoon winds. Okay, then third one, local winds. These blow only during a particular period of the day or year in a small area. For example, land and sea breeze. Do you recall the hot and dry local winds of northern plains of India? It is called Lu. Moisture. When water evaporates from land and different water bodies, it becomes water vapor. Moisture in the air at any time is known as humidity. When the air is full of water vapor, we call it a humid air. As the air gets warmer, its capacity to hold the water vapor increases and so it's become more and more humid. On a humid day, clothes take longer to dry and sweat from our body does not evaporate easily. When the water vapor rises, it starts cooling. The water vapor condenses, causing formation of droplets of water. Clouds are just masses of such water droplets. When these droplets of water become too heavy to float in air, then they come down as precipitation. Jet planes flying in the sky leave a white trail behind them. The moisture from their engines condenses. We see trails of this condensed moisture for some time when there is no air movement to disturb it. Precipitation that comes down to the earth in liquid form is called rain. Most of the groundwater comes from rainwater. Plants help preserve water. On the basis of mechanism, there are three types of rainfall: the conventional rainfall, the orographic rainfall, and the cyclonic rainfall. Conventional rain. It is experienced throughout the year in the equatorial and the tropical regions in the afternoons. When the rays of the sun heat up the land surface, the air near the surface gets heated up. It rises in the form of conventional air currents. These currents attain a great height. Water vapor in these currents condenses very quickly at the height and a heavy rainfall occurs. This is called conventional rainfall. Orographic or relief rainfall. This is the most widespread form of rainfall. When the moisture laden winds strike against a mountain or a hill, they rise upwards, expand, and cool down. Then rainfalls occur. These types of rainfall is called relief or orographic rainfall. Cyclonic rain. As the name suggests, This type of rainfall is linked with cyclones. In a cyclone, a low pressure area is created in the center. Winds from all sides rush towards this low pressure area. As a result, there is a circular motion which causes the whirling air at the center to rise up. This rising air cools down, condenses, and brings rain. This type of rainfall is known as cyclonic rainfall. Okay, children, let us wind up today's class. Okay, this chapter is over. Now you have to read this chapter detailedly and underline important points and complete all the works. Okay, so thank you to listening my class. Okay, thank you to all.